Welcome to Leko Academy. In this video, we're going to handle this question under geometry, which came in 2017 paper 2 internal. So this is question 9. Question 9a. So the statement here says W, X, Y, and Z are 4 points on the surface of the Earth as shown in the diagram below. So this is the diagram. And they are saying take pi to be, so take pi as 3.142 and the radius 3437 in Newton meters. The first question here, Roman numeral 1, calculate the difference in latitude between W and Y. Y is on south, W is on north. So since they are on different sides, we are going to add. So the difference, so this is 9a1. So the difference here we have 80 degrees north plus here 30 degrees south. So when finding the difference in latitudes, so W and Y, this is a longitude. So the difference here we consider the latitudes. So 80 plus 30, this will give us 110 degrees. So do not add the direction. So this is the theta, the angle, 110 degrees. For the other question, Roman numeral 2, calculate the distance in Newton meters between A, X, and Z along the longitude 105 degrees east. So XZ, so Roman numeral 2. XZ is equal to, so the distance between XZ, so XZ, this is the distance along the longitude. So the formula that we apply for the longitude when calculating the distance along the longitude, that is theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So this is the formula when calculating the distance along the longitude. Now theta is the difference between X and Z. So X and Z, they have the same difference with the W and Y, because X lies where W lies, which is 80 degrees north, and also Z, it lies on the same latitude with Y. So XZ, the difference there, that is 110. So here we are going to put 110 over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the pi, that is 3.142, multiplied by the radius. So we are calculating the distance in Newton meters, so we use 3437. XZ therefore is equal to, so if we compute this, so we have 110, so we do with the numerator part 110 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the pi, which is 3.142, multiplied by the radius 3437. So it is giving us that figure divided by 360. Okay, so that is 6599 point 42. So we can round it off to 2 decimal place, and the unit that we are putting, that is Newton per mole. So this is for the distance along xz, the longitude of xz. So for question B, we're calculating the distance in Newton per mole between y and z along the circle of latitude 30 degrees south. So yz. So for B, we are calculating the distance along yz. So yz, that is so yz, it lies on the latitude. So calculating the distance on the latitude, the formula, that is theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now for this one, we include the cos, so cos x. Now theta, we are getting the difference. So since the points C, they lie on this latitude, the difference, we are going to consider the longitudes. So y, it lies on longitude 15 degrees west, and z, that is 105 degrees east. So they are on different directions. So we add 15 plus 105, that is 120. So here on the theta, we're going to put 120 over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the pi 3.142 multiplied by the radius, that is 3437 multiplied by cos. Now cos x, it is where y and z lie, the latitude where the given points lie. So y and z, they lie on 30 degrees south. So cos 30. Now if we compute this, okay, so we have 120. So we have 120 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the pi, which is 3.142 multiplied by the radius, that 437 multiplied by cos, or the cos, that is 30. It is giving us that, divided by, so down here we have 360, divided by 360. So this is the answer, 6234. Point 84 if we round it to 2 decimal place. So the SI unit we are putting in Newton per mole. So this is how we calculate questions under earth geometry. Make sure you consider, when calculating the distance on the longitude, we use this formula. On the latitude, when the points lie on the latitude, we use this formula. So here you just include the cos.